J.O.A.T.D. Today we're out here in my wife's X5 and the seat is discolored. You see that? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this to restore it. Let's see how it works. So look at that. It actually came out. Creases aren't gonna come out, but all that discoloration went away. And this stuff holds up really good. So for anybody out there that seat is, you know, discoloring the leather, pick you up a can of this. I'm gonna finish up spraying it. Just wanted to share with you guys how good it turns out. J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.